Hi guys! Constipated ka ba na katulad ko? Just wanted to share 2 ways on how to relieve constipation. First, follow nyo lang yung mga exercises na ginagawa ko. Yan yung mostly na ginagawa ko kapag nakakaramdam ako ng constipation. Na-relieve ba or constipated ka pa rin? Don't worry, meron akong solusyon para dyan. Buti na lang, na-discover ko tong Kotoboki Enema. You can take this para sa mga ayaw mag-exercise, ayaw mapagod, pagpawisan. And by the way guys, this Kotoboki Enema was made in Japan. Let's unbox new one na lang kasi naubos ko na yung previous box na meron ako. So that's it. Lastly, sa mga interested sa product na to, you can directly message them on their newly created Facebook page. At syempre, baka pwede nyo rin po silang i-follow. Thank you!